just gonna show you some of my Smiggle products. I've got here is my textures and my stickers.
And this is for the
And this is for the
DIY sticker badge kit. You colour them in and you peel them off, and you can stick them on bags and anything really that you'd like to put a sticker on.
And peel it off.
That's pretty cool.
And you stick it on there.
Very cool.
This is the travel journal.
And what does it come with? Some stickers?
Some stickers.
Yeah. And let's have a look inside.
Let's have a look inside.
Mm. Oh wow, you can mark off all the countries.
Look, there's Antarctica.
Oh wow.
You can see a husky. All of these places.
Cool, that's great. That's a great idea. So this was from Smiggle, and you can get these in pink, or the pink cover, or a blue cover. And we got the pink one. And there's a cute little luggage tag there on the corner.
Let's have a look inside.
Oh wow, I like the cover. Can I have a look at the cover again?
Sure.
Oh wow. Oh, it's so soft and glittery. And you can put a little lock on this too, but we've just taken the lock off. And then so you can do colouring. Yeah, and there's lined pages inside.
Some white things in here.
Cool. You could put some stickers. Well, that's cool. I like it. So that's from Smiggle as well. A Smiggle, a Smiggle.
Smiggle.
So if you like our YouTube videos, please subscribe, and we'll be doing more soon. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.